Hello, and welcome to Fusion Writing, where building character meets creating structure. Well, this is a Monday of our Compass Day, and we're on our topic weeks in this month. And I could not be happier because I guess what came in my mail? The Anti-Novelist Monthly. I have Victoria's newsletter. Oh, and today I know Victoria's going to give us a little more clues of what's coming up in the next one, and there's still plenty of time to sign up to get it. So tell us, Victoria, what are you going to teach us this day and this whole month?
Well, for today's compass, we're going to continue down the road that we started down last week, but we're going to take a right at the fork, if you will. Last week we talked about time in novels, and I gave you some ideas for timeline tools and ways to think about moving and using time in your story. Tomorrow when we get to the map, I'm going to talk about story space. So the complement to time is space and how you use it. So come back tomorrow because that's what we're going to talk about. And then if you are a newsletter subscriber, or if you jump in and subscribe before the 20th, then you're going to get an entire issue on this, complete with note cards to be made and exercises to do. So jump on into the Anti-Novelist Monthly if you want to continue the conversation this month. Kathleen?
All right, fantastic. And we're continuing on the character trait of trustworthiness this month. And if you have your copy of my newsletter, I I cover the topic that of the newsletter you hold in your hand because I want you to be able to go deeper as we work. And so I'll let you know what pages we're on this time. We're right in the very middle. We're going to be working on the different positions on the character profile diagram, how trustworthiness differs, and what do the voices sound like differently, and how you can use trustworthiness in your story. So come on back for another rousing topic week. We will see you tomorrow in the map. Bye-bye.